Dang it, barely made it out of there. Had to climb up the back of that dam. Alright, so I cut myself a trail in the woods. I'm trying to get to the back side of the dam so I can get some volume of dirt dumped on that back side. Alright, the dam comes up right here. It's cut in half. Hey guys, Kapper here. Welcome back. This is episode 12 of our biggest pond dam ever. And if you missed the first 10 or 11, we built this beautiful, nice pond. We got a gully washer rain and it blew out the pond dam. So I'll put a link to the playlist in the description, but today is basically day 2 of repairing the blown out pond dam, and as you'll see soon, I'm going to get rained out today again. Alright, so in today's episode, I need dirt. I need dirt as close as I can get it, and I need good wet dirt to compact the back of this pond dam that disappeared. So I'm going to climb my way through the woods and I'm going to dig a borrow pit down here. You'll see me sorting it. The top stuff with roots on I'm going to chuck to the side, but the decent dirt I'm going to stack up on the back of this pond dam and compact it with the boom as much as I can until I get rained out. Let's get out of here. Get that machine up on high ground. Dang it, barely made it out of there. Had to climb up the back of that dam. This is gonna be a slick hill, but I think I can get up here. Wow, that another pop-up shower come out of nowhere. So it might blow over that dam again, depending on how good my cut is there. Darn it. I hope it ain't a long extended shower.